Hi everyone! In this video series, we'll explore Python programming while creating a slider game. This syllabus is proudly presented as one of the modules offered by UMP STEM Lab, emphasizing in the fusions of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter and explore the key concept we'll be covering in this Python game design adventure. In step 1, we'll start by setting up the foundation of our game. We'll create the game window and define its properties such as its size and background color. In step 2, it's all about bringing our player character to life. We'll delve into player creation, giving our character the appearance and functionality it needs to navigate the game world. In step 3, we'll empower our player character with movement abilities. We'll implement control that allow players to guide their characters through the game's challenges. Step 4 introduces enemies to our game. We'll define enemy properties and explore how they move within the game world, creating challenges for our players. Step 5 is all about interaction. We'll implement collision detection to handle player-enemy interactions and create a scoring system to keep track of player progress. In step 6, we'll add a sense of urgency to our game with a timer. We'll learn how to manage game termination condition when the clock is ticking. Finally, in step 7, we'll polish our game by designing and implementing a game over screen in the perfect journey way to wrap our game design journey. Are you ready to dive into the world of Python game development? Each step of this syllabus will bring us closer to creating our very own slider game. So, let's get started on this exciting adventure. In general, there are 5 elements in our slider game, which are game window. The window is fixed in size and are defined in height and width. The player. The player has a fixed size throughout the game and could only move in X direction. It is being controlled by keyboard. Thirdly is the enemy, whose size are the same as the player and falls from the sky in a random X position and in Y direction. Next is the scoring system. Every time the player hits an enemy, the score will increase by 1. This score is displayed within the game window. The 5th element is the timing system. There is a countdown timer which counts in 1 second from a reset time. The game ends when it reaches 0.